Let's go do it. Slow down. I'm scared. How absurd. Turn around. Don't forget. Good job. Don't disturb. Be quiet. Face to face. Step by step. To the brim. Till the end. Side by side. To the backbone. At every step. At every word. Against the will. At any cost. Watch out. Nothing else. Keep it open. Get an idea. In this regard, I am undone. Get lost. Be optimistic. Doing so well. Come to fruition. Come to the point. So what? Let's catch up. To be honest. Don't touch. Come forward. Keep distance. See you later. No more buts. Let it pass. Not a bit. Verbal attack. Pangs of life. The best ever. Same as always. I'm tied up. Stay inside. How nuisances. It's no big deal. Don't make a mess. How come that? I suppose so. Humble and gentle. What about you? Not a bit. Have fun. I'm out here. Have a good day. So what? Who cares? I don't care. I suppose so. I don't mind. Who knows? I don't mind. Whatever you want. Whatever you do. Why should I care? Something else. Nothing else. How about